actually difficult. I know a lot of you will be thinking that it's difficult, especially if you've never done it before. It's normal. Amazing person watching my video in Angandolo, and I post videos every Monday. Thank you for tuning in. And today I'll be talking about how to wear false lashes. It's not actually difficult. I know a lot of you will be thinking that it's difficult, especially if you've never done it before. It's normal. Something you've never done before is going to sound so difficult to you, but once you start doing it and you're trying over and over, you're going to see that it's very easy. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually put on false lashes properly. So if this video is what you want to see, then stay tuned. But before we get into that, please, it's going to be a very short video, but if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And for my old subscribers who are back to view my videos, thank you all so much for supporting me. And for my new subscribers, please, if this video is helpful to you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Welcome, cousin. You're welcome to the butterfly family, and I hope you're going to love this video. And if you know that you've been finding difficulties like to wear your false lashes, then this is the video. This is the right video you've stumbled on. So stay tuned so I could show you how to wear your false lashes. First of all, you're going to need glue, lash glue, like lash adhesive. You're going to need a little pair of scissors. You're also going to need your tweezers. You're going to need a mirror. Definitely going to need your lashes. So this pair, I've already worn this pair, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing you do is that you're going to take your lash glue and you're going to rub it on the band of the lashes. You're just going to rub it on the band. When you're done, you're going to leave it for a few seconds because it's supposed to stick on it. So you're going to leave it for a few seconds until the glue becomes transparent. Then, when that has happened, you're going to take your mirror. Make sure it's close to your eye. I know some people actually use their tweezers like this. Let me show you guys. Like this, and it's easier for them, but I'm just going to do that because I'm showing you guys. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to hold your lashes. You're going to come closer to your eye with your little mirror. And I already kept the edges of the lashes. Sorry, I didn't say I've already kept the edges because the edges like here, so I tried to cut the extension. So now that we have this like this, we are just going to, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to feed it. Like you guys can see, it's already done. So I'm just going to show you the process again. Remember, like we have done this side already. We have our lash, we have our lash glue. We take the glue and you want to rub the glue on the band. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. I wish I could turn it so you actually see what, okay, like on the band. This is the band of the lashes. You want to take your time to rub it on the band of the lash. And there we go. We are just going to, we actually need it to get dry. I always like wave it around so it gets dry faster. And then our mirror is here. So we're just going to do it. You could actually blow it if you want it to get dry fast. Okay. Now, the thing about this is, actually, when you put the lash glue and leave it to dry for a few seconds without putting it immediately, it actually gives the lash, like, it makes it stick more to your eye. And also when you have an eyeliner on, it is easier for it to stick. So now that we have done that, and you can see the glue is almost turning transparent, we'll go in again with the mirror. You want to be as close as possible. And then you're going to close your eyes. You can't close the two eyes because if you close your two eyes, you're not going to see what you're doing. So you're going to close your eye. And and you're going to do like this. I actually like using my hands because it's easier, but if in case you use the tweezers and the tweezers don't get it exactly, you could go in to use your hands, and boom, there we are. Now that we have our lashes on, make sure you go in with some mascara, just because if in case you didn't line it properly, you're going to make everything look the same. So guys, that is it for this short tutorial. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been finding difficulties to wear your eyelashes, I hope this actually helped you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.